sa Asadori Restaurant para sa launching ng, syempre, ang Maria Clara Sangria Sparkling Wine in Hand. Finally, nagkaroon naman sila ng wine na lagi naman natin ito inaantabayan at laging ating iniintay. So, for now, pasok tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga kaganapan inside. So, tara na!
Welcome to Sip, Sparkle, and Slay here at the official launch of the Maria Clara Sparkling Sangria in Cannes. Let's hear it from Maria Clara.
Hi, my name is Christina Cascaño and I love trying the new Maria Clara formula. I think that it's the perfect drink to take, especially when you're going out of town with friends.
Hi, my name is Kano, and what I love the most about Maria Clara Sangria is that it doesn't taste consistent.
So I want to thank our incredible team at Distillery Alimfuaco and Convoy Marketing Corporation, from R&D to marketing to production to sales, our collab partner.
Thank you so much to Distillery Alimfuaco for inviting us sa kanilang wonderful event, and more power and more sales to come. Napakasarap po ng Maria Clara Sangria Sparkling Wine, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe ang LMSK TV every Friday 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is Tess Escuadro po ng Lagisan Saksi Ngayon.